making you into a celebrity.
Star is born. Maybe a convict. One or the other.
Starting the process of making it look good again.
Yes, revitalizing it.
Revitalizing, I like it.
Puppy.
As you can see, it has quite a few issues. And around the corner, and down along the bottom. A nice crack going along. Down along the bottom skirt there needs tightened up. This part's still pretty good. Little crack right there. And right there. Door a little bit. Not bad. Not real bad. But now it's got the nice new tin roof up there on it. I want to try to make the rest of it look at least halfway nice. Okay, I'll show you a little more later on.
The shade's coming. I can't wait.
Right.
Yeah, working in a good spot here.
Well, Matt will be here in a little bit to finish up the stucco of the shed. It's looking pretty good. He's got it all scored so we can put the next level on. He's patched these two holes, this one, and this one, and this one, and filling around the window to kind of seal this up. And repair this, so it'll be nice and secure, and it's looking pretty good. So now it's got a new roof, and shortly it'll be all finished on the outside. Okay. Okay, it's coming along. Finishing texture, filled some holes. Gonna finish up on this so it's trimmed properly. Looking good.
Thank you. Almost done another hour. If I didn't run out of damn shit, I'd be done. If I didn't run out, I'd brick.
Yeah.
Somehow it got wet at the factory. I know it didn't get wet in Arizona.
No.
Always part of it.
Well, this is the final product, less paint, and the paint ain't gonna happen for a little bit because I got other poor man projects to deal with. But all the holes are plugged, sealed around the window. The ginormous crack that was over here is all re-adhered together and looking pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that. These are just little teeny surface cracks in the stucco, so we just kind of filled them in as best we could. Went around the door a little bit so that it's a little more secure. So yeah, not too bad for a white boy. All right, that's it for now. Like and subscribe. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.